At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a CCTV, closed-circuit television, business can be a promising venture, especially given the increasing demand for security solutions. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Understand the demand for CCTV services in your area. Identify potential competitors, target customers, residential, commercial, industrial, and their needs. 2. Business plan. Create a detailed business plan outlining your services, target market, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. This will serve as a roadmap for your business. 3. Legal considerations. Register your business and obtain any necessary licenses and permits required to operate in your area. Make sure to comply with local regulations regarding security and surveillance systems. 4. Choose your niche. Decide on the specific services you'll offer. This could include CCTV installation, maintenance, monitoring, or a combination of these. You may also specialize in certain sectors such as home security or commercial surveillance. 5. Supplier partnerships. Research and establish partnerships with reputable suppliers of CCTV equipment. Ensure you offer high-quality products that meet the needs of your customers and provide warranties where applicable. 6. Training and certification. Invest in training for yourself and your employees. Certification from manufacturers or industry organizations can enhance your credibility and expertise in the field. 7. Build your team. Hire skilled technicians who can install and maintain CCTV systems efficiently. Customer service representatives are also crucial for handling inquiries and providing support to clients. 8. Marketing and branding. Develop a strong brand identity and create marketing materials such as a website, business cards, and brochures. Utilize online marketing, social media, and networking to reach potential customers. 9. Offer competitive pricing. Research your competitors' pricing and ensure your rates are competitive. Consider offering package deals or discounts to attract new customers. 10. Provide excellent customer service. Focus on delivering exceptional service to your clients. Offer timely installations, prompt maintenance, and troubleshooting support to build trust and loyalty. 11. Expand your services. As your business grows, consider expanding your range of services to include related security solutions such as access control systems, alarm systems, or video analytics. 12. Stay updated. Keep abreast of the latest developments and trends in CCTV technology. This will help you offer innovative solutions and stay ahead of the competition. Remember, starting a CCTV business requires careful planning, dedication, and hard work. By providing quality services and building strong relationships with your customers, you can establish a successful venture in the security industry. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.